For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.
'Tis the season to be jolly. We all should be jolly every day, and especially today, because I found some nice Christmas decor for the low on Amazon. So let's get into it. All the information and links will be down in the description box, so sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with all your family and friends. Let's stay in touch and follow me on Instagram at everythings_major. Well, this ends today's episode, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed and happy holiday. And remember, Jesus Christ is the reason for the season. Love each other, be blessed, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.
Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.